Oh boy. This is so awesome. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with backpacks, like beyond obsessed. I have so many backpacks because I'm always looking for the perfect bag, but there's also bags for different occasions, depending upon where I'm traveling, how much gear I have to have. But this is like the freaking most ultimate gear bag that I have ever seen. Not only is this an awesome bag, but it was made by Peter McKinnon. And if you guys aren't familiar with this channel, make sure you guys go check it out and also check out this bag. His videos are amazing. And if you've ever wanted to learn more about cinematography, photography, or just upping your videos in general, definitely go check his channel out. But let's unbox, well, it's unboxed. So I guess this isn't really technically an unboxing because I already opened the box and took it out and looked at it. So I guess it's already unboxed. Here it is. So let's just open this thing up because there's so many cool compartments. Honestly, one of the things that I love the most about it is it's extremely high quality. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out the Kickstarter and get more information about it. Everything about it is so thoughtful, like the details, just like the little trimmings from like his name and then like the Nomatic logo. I also have a couple other little things that they sent too. These are great. I love little bags. Every time I travel, everything has a separate little compartment. I haven't even got to the backpack yet. It's so big you can't even see me. So let's start with this first little zipper. There's so many details. This is gonna be a 45-minute video. So it's got a small little pocket, and it's also got a bigger one here. Look, it's got like a little magnetic. And let's go into this big boy. And we've got another little bag. I didn't open this yet. It's a little toiletry bag. I'm standing up, I'm getting into this. I miss my stand-up unboxing table. I think I need to do a little reconfiguration again. This whole setup was supposed to be temporary. It's been a little more than temporary. This is definitely too small for my toiletries. I will probably be using this as a little gear bag. Oh, it's waterproof as well. Okay, so this is nice. This has like a little strap here so you can keep some things held down with some nice little pockets here. More zippers. And this also, oh my gosh, this whole thing also unzips. If I loaded this thing up with all of my things, it would be 500 pounds. Another great thing is it's also accessible from the side. So you've got some side pockets here. Oh, there's goodies in there. I'm not ready for those yet. So let's flip this over. The laptop compartment is accessible from the side, and I like that this is on the back too, and this is super soft. Oh my gosh. This is somewhere that I want to sleep. Oh, it has the little luggage strap. Usually my carry-ons consist of a massive backpack like this and also a little roller carry-on so that I can put the extremely heavy backpack on top of the roller bag so that I don't have to actually carry it. So the fact that this has that, huge. Okay, let's open up and see what's in here. Oh yeah, this is nice. There's so much storage in here, it's unbelievable. We've got more zippers over here, another slide pocket here. You could probably put an iPad or even another computer. I used to travel with my Surface Book so that I could play Fortnite on it, and then my MacBook to edit on. Okay, so what do we got in here? Nice place to put like lenses or camera body, and this is so nice and protected. Oh my gosh, this is, no way. This is so, oh, what is happening? Is this, did I just discover another backpack inside of the backpack? So you can store your camera, your lenses, and you can leave this in the car, pack the few extra little goodies that you need. I'm gonna cry. This is such a great idea. This is incredible. Oh my God, it's like I'm going to school. I've got like a little lunchbox and stuff. I need to go on an adventure immediately. Well, let me put my backpacks back inside my backpack. And look at this, another little case to put things in, like a drone or some more lenses, basically whatever I want. And some more little dividers, so you can basically divide this up into any configuration. There's multiple dividers here, and they're nice, substantial quality. We've also got a case here for some ND filters, SD cards. There's even another little side here to put like a water bottle or tripod. Man, this is really freaking nice. It's really big. I'm not a very big person. Like, I think I could definitely fit my dog in there. I could probably fit myself if I scrunch up enough. This is also super exciting because I saw a bunch of people that had these at camera camp. These are the variable ND filters by Polar Pro, the Peter McKinnon edition. So we have the 6 to 9 stop and the 2 to 5. This is so great. I have been in desperate need of some good ND filters. I need to stop recording and go somewhere. Like, I need to just leave. I can't be here anymore. I can't be here. I need to go on an adventure. And some stickers. We've got a reference chart. These are great. I use Polar Pro ND filters for my drones, so I'm super excited to check this out. I've got a little cleaning cloth. Peter McKinnon one, nonetheless. Why am I still here? Why am I sitting here and not on an adventure is the question that I am asking myself right now. Okay, and this is the 6 to 9 stops. Look how nice everything is. Some little soft cases for travel. Even these cases are awesome. They're pretty industrial. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this first little look at this backpack. And if you guys are interested in more information about it, check out the Kickstarter in the link below. And I'll also put a link to these Polar Pro ND filters. And I have a couple of, well, I guess not that exciting travel adventures coming up, but there are some outdoor shoots that I'm doing and these are gonna come in handy. So you guys will probably be able to tell when I'm using these outdoors because usually we're filming in the middle of the day and it's hot and it's bright. So can't wait to try those out. I will see you guys in my next video and I wonder what I have crunched.